I'm hope some people get back to them water because I tell them, yeah, but some of them people when them coming on my chair. Anyway, baby.
She got a training in her babe. I'm kinda double up on the training because finals are Saturday, you know? So she out and about.
Okay. Well, me no say she go win, so I'm not worry about that. You know you need to save up a little money because another reason I should tell me stay or plane fare need to buy.
Yeah. Hold on a minute.
I want baby.
How this? Somebody parking on my driveway.
What's that? That who could have so bright? Bright and hot, Ada. Yes, there.
I know like me can look and see somebody and ask them to find out how.
No, supposed to be them going to your house, baby. Me not like that. Them two bright and hot, Ada.
Oh. What this man? Yeah. Soon call you back, yeah?
Alright, baby. Me talk to you later. Angry bangle. Yeah. My man right here.
Hold on. I never locked the window before me.
Ooh, don't shoot me, Mr. Water Commissioner Star. I mean, don't shoot me again.
Dear, what you do? A serious risk you run, you know?
One my like risky business. But yeah. Oh, you come in so like a trained police officer. You have something you want to tell me?
Let me tell you what I want to tell you. As a licensed firearm owner, I forgot a range and we do our own training. But none of that me I talk about. You know say you're in the house and you tell me say somebody might be in the house and you know you in there?
Ooh, why so serious? You know you cannot turn me on careful.
Babe, you realize how serious it is? You make me check out my weapon.
I'm like gonna take it down.
So, are you drive the vehicle outside?
No, I want more. Okay, I just put it on a piece of rope and just drag come across.
There. You can drive?
Say me can drive you up the wall. You know me can drive a car?
So I'm gonna say something. You didn't right move now. Cause from what you just edgy.
Sometimes I'm hungry. Never consider that.
Yeah, that's the next thing too. From the other day, you just eat on the place. It's like, yeah. Where do we tend Bigfoot?
I kinda like Bigfoot. You should know that.
Yeah, but this guy is a shop you go open.
Don't shop, stay man. Hello? Put it down. Put it down right now. Me buy yours.
What's it? A 10 in there now?
I know. I me buy them. I must say, me buy one for you.
Alright.
One bun in that oven. You can go have that.
So, how will that bun in the oven?
You?
No, this is not me. I must destiny do this.
No, sir. Destiny did not put the bun in the oven.
Well, unless are you remember. Cause I'm sure it's not me.
No, me is certain about that. My certain say, are you put the bun in the oven?
You know what? Now I gotta have about this. So, the car. I rent it.
No,
Where to borrow it?
no, sir.
So, I will for car.
Mine.
Hold on.
Pass my juice, please. Thank you.
So, you buy a car?
What gave it to me?
Babe, please. You don't have to be sarcastic. I ask you a genuine question.
Christopher, I bought a car.
So, you buy a car and you don't say nothing at all to me?
May I say it to you now?
A soul live? Me not think we would discuss this.
See, you now, you take it personal. Suppose me did just want to surprise you.
Well, this is a surprise. You know, some see that car some already.
Oh, up a little bit? Yeah, I see him, man.
So that means that Tony and know say you have a car before me.
Yeah, come and tell our session of a up to you. I wanted to surprise you, though. Surprise! Is that the part where you jump up and laugh now?
Babe, no disrespect, but I'm gonna ask you. You sure this is something where you can afford?
Boy! Father, come here, look up. It's all like a baby. If me can afford it, we know what Pat's saying.
We don't want you to take it now and away. We just want to know say you're alright. And if any jam come up, you know me there for you.
Chris, we're gonna need another car. Alright? And every time you can pick me up. Sometimes you want to go places, me want to go places, and I don't want inconvenience you. Plus, I'm supposed to put my foot too long.